Prashant, you can paste these links somewhere in your notepad. Okay. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus over here for this particular course. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your prep process and you can join this batch. We are always welcoming feedback. For that, you just need to fill up this form. Okay. You can know in detail about this particular batch. Click on this all batch detail link. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at support@the-rate-of-updates.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on this particular. Hi Srishti Banerjee, how are you?
Srishti, please switch on your camera.
Sorry, I'm turning the light on. Wait.
Sure.
Wait.
So Srishti, from which school and city you are joining us?
I was in Doltala in Kolkata, but now I've traveled and I'm in Bankura.
Okay. So you are joining Olympiads for the first time? Or you have joined earlier also?
I already joined.
You already joined. Okay. Okay, so Pooja ma'am already pasted some helpful
No problem.
links.
I'll repeat once again, Srishti, for you. I would like to explain you about the flow of the session. I have pasted few links. I'll paste it once again for you. Okay. So after this link, you'll be going to interact with your mentor for the short introduction. Along with that, you'll be going to have a short informative PPT on the screen. Then finally, we'll be going to continue the demo. Okay. So I want you to know that what our test series batch. Test series batch is particularly you'll be going to solve a paper, okay, in every class. Before that class, you're going to solve, and then that paper you're going to discuss with your mentor in the class. So why these test papers are meant for? Meant for more and more practice, right? Because you have covered your syllabus, everything is done and dusted. Now you are going to prepare for your exam, but before that, you need to make yourself pro. You need to fasten your feet for solving the questions, okay? So for that reason, these test series batches are meant for. Okay, so with this now, I'll paste few links once again for your reference and I'll repeat it for you. Okay.
Okay.
So first link is a syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link.
Okay.
A payment can be made on this link in case you have not enrolled yet. No need to worry. You can still complete the payment process and you can join this course. In case you wanted to give us feedback, you can just fill up this feedback form and we will receive your back. You can know about this particular batch and all batch detail links. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us support@the-rate-of-updates.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So now with this, I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Neha. She's a wonderful mentor. She's having a conceptual clarity. Her class is very engaging and interesting. So she'll be going to take your test instead. Okay? Over to you, Neha.
Class 3.
Hello, Shrishti. Hello, Shashank. How are you both?
We are good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, but I'm very fine. So, Shrishti, you are from Bengal, right? Bankura.
Yes. No,
Okay.
I am from Kolkata, Doltala, but I travel to Bankura.
Okay,
I will go
for your puja celebrations, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so shall we start with the session now?
Okay.
Rishank, could you please turn on your camera, Vita? Let me just share this screen with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So would you please confirm whether the screen is visible or not?
Nemo,
Yes,
you'll be going to do
Yes,
an
ma'am.
introduction, then we'll be going to have a presentation, then we'll start with the
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so as we have already met your mentors, so now we'll be going to quickly move towards the presentation with this over to you, Meghna.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matters. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, Maths, English, Science, Logical Reasoning, Communication, Spoken and Written, Vedic Maths, and Coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, plus Olympiad classes from grade 2 to grade 10 and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite a lot tougher than the regular curriculum. Yes, we are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significance of teaching experience. Having 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. In this session, we will discuss the previous year question papers for Olympiads. So syllabus is available on this particular link and the fee of this course is rupees 2,500. It is a 10-session course and payment can be made by using this link. So this fees includes discussion of mock test and containing the previous year question papers. What else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio clarity. Live classes will be starting from 7th of October 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear, Shrishti. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Ma'am, there is one student waiting, Shaurya Gupta.
The child is again facing the internet issue. I have already edited the chat.
Okay.
Okay, so let's begin with the demo then. You can start the demo now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Shrishti and only Shrishti there. Could you please confirm whether the screen is visible to you or not?
Ma'am, the screen is visible.
It's visible. Okay. So basically in this, we will be solving the questions. Okay.
Okay.
So the first question, it states that the picture below shows a climber plant growing on a pole in a garden. Which of the following statement is or are correct? So first of all, what is a climber? A climber is a plant which cannot stand erect. Like it's not strong like a bamboo or a,
Yes.
that it cannot, like, have you seen a guava plant or a mango tree?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
erected, no? But if have you ever seen a bitter gourd or a cucumber plant? It needs
No,
a
ma'am.
support. Okay, no problem. So it looks somewhat like this. Okay, it looks exactly somewhat like this. So it needs a support to climb over. Okay, so the plant has a weak stem. Definitely, if it is a climber, it will have a weak stem. That's why it needs a support, right? It is a
Yes, ma'am.
non-flowering plant. Can a non-flowering plant bear fruits? No, because
No.
flowers are the plant. Flowers are the part of a plant which grows and gives rise to a seed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So a non-flowering plant cannot grow. So this is wrong. And third, the plant has roots. Definitely all the plants on the earth has roots. Otherwise, how will they be able to survive? From where are they going to get the nutrients, right?
Yes.
So you have, so which among the following are the correct options? That is first one and the third one. So here we will go with option B. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now moving ahead with the next question. So the next question states that look at the chart below. Things living and non-living. So do you know what's the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing? The basic difference.
Yes, ma'am. A living,
What is it?
sorry. A living thing has life in it. A non-living thing does not have life in it.
Very good. So living things are the one which have life and a non-living thing is one which doesn't have life. So in living things, you have only two categories, that is animals and plants. Okay, so under which category do we come? Like, are we animals or plants? Obviously, we are animals. Okay, humans are
Yeah.
animals only. Now, which of one of the following things can be put in group A? That means which can be, this question says that group A belongs to animals. So which among them are animals? Tell me.
A. Ant.
Yeah, this is an ant. Okay, but this is a fern. Okay, so this is a plant. This is a mushroom. So this is a fungi. Right? So it is option
Yes.
A. Is that
A.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now moving to the next. Now coming to the next question. It states leaves are green due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. So this question has come in 2013 paper. Okay. So the
Yes.
main function of chlorophyll is, now see, this topic is basically from process known as photosynthesis. Do you know what does photosynthesis mean?
Ma'am. No. No.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. So photosynthesis is basically a process by which plant prepare their own food. Okay. Just like we make our food in the kitchen, no?
Yes.
Right? We make food in
Yes.
the kitchen. So that food is similar, like plant, if they want to grow, definitely they will also make food. Okay, but they don't have any kitchen, no? So they
Yes.
have a process known as photosynthesis where the plant uses certain raw materials, that is sunlight, okay, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. Okay, so these three are the major component of the process in the photosynthesis. And what is the function of the chlorophyll? It performs the process of photosynthesis. Now, is it clear what is photosynthesis?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear, right? So,
Yes.
uh, just a moment. Let me see. So here the option states that, where did it go? Just a moment, Shrishti. Let me just share it once more. Yeah. Now, so here it states to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, first option. Second, to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Third, to give greenish color to the leaves. And fourth, to perform photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. So, you know that the process photosynthesis,
Yes.
if you go with the reaction, you use carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of
Sunlight.
sunlight plus chlorophyll.
Yes.
Okay. And this results in formation of,
Photosynthesis.
that is, this is glucose. That is the food that the plant uses. Okay. So what is this
Oh.
chlorophyll doing? It is performing the process of photosynthesis, right? So you
Photosynthesis.
will go
Yes.
with option
D.
D. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, here it is to give greenish color to the leaves. This is also true, but as per the question, we are not supposed to attend this one because all plants which appears to be green is due to this chlorophyll pigment, or because chlorophyll is green in color. But the
Yes.
function of this chlorophyll in photosynthesis is to prepare the food. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now moving to the next part. The next question states that Look at the animals shown below and select the one that does not belong to the group. So if you could see this one, there are two that this is an animal,
Yes.
right? This is also an animal. This is a fish. But fish is also
Yes.
it's an animal only, no? It cannot be considered as plant, right? And
Yes.
this is also an animal.
Animal.
But what's the difference between these? Can you just tell me once?
Ma'am, a
Hmm.
cow, the camel, and a horse, they live
Hmm.
in the ground. And
Okay.
the dolphin or fish lives in the
Hmm.
water.
Yes, very good. So this option A, B, and D, these all threes are the animals known as terrestrial animals, right?
Yes.
You know what is the meaning of terrestrial animal? The animal which lives on land, right? Whereas fish is an aquatic animal,
Yes.
right? So which is the one we would go with it? It is
C.
option C. Very good.
C.
Now moving to the next part. Question number 5 states that some unwanted plants grow along with the original crops. These plants take nutrients from the soil and thus hamper the growth of original plants. What are these plants called? Like, have you ever done gardening in your house or
Yes.
any? So what happens? You see, along suppose that you have planted a rose plant or a brinjal plant. You can see that the nearby areas there are lots of grasses. Have you ever seen that?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So these are unwanted plants. Do you have any relationship or any work with those grasses? No.
Yes. I have to pick.
You have to throw them out. No, is it helpful
Yes.
for you in any ways? It's not
No.
helpful. So these plants which are not helpful for us are known as weeds. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So weeds are the unwanted plants which grows along the original crops. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Coming to the next question, choose the correct options according to the size in order of smallest to the largest, right? So, what can it be? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Any guess? Yeah,
C.
that is silt, sand, and clay.
Yes.
No, beta. See, the
Mm,
sizes. If you want to note it down, please note it down once. Clay has a size of 0.002 millimeter. Okay. If you go
yes.
with silt, it is slightly bigger and it is 0.05 mm. Is that clear? Whereas sand is the largest, having 0.05 to 2 mm. Right. So if you go with the order of smallest to the largest, first is clay, then is silt, and then you have sand. Is that clear? So we will go with
Yes.
option B. Is it
B.
clear?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Would you like to just copy down these datas once?
Okay.
Just copy it down once. I just give you a few seconds. Please copy it as soon as possible.
Sorry. 290. Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Which of the following statement is are correct? So we need to choose the correct option. Now it says that the topsoil is good for plant growth. Second, soil contains many living things. Third, soil erosion is good for fertile soil. And fourth, the topsoil contains humus. Right. So first sentence says that a topsoil is good for plant growth. Definitely, because on the top layer, no, you have rich nutrient content which is known as humus. Okay, right?
Yes.
So we are okay with option 1. And when sentence is correct, definitely I told you, the topsoil contains humus. So this option will also go, right? This is also correct. Coming to the next, soil contains many living things. Are Do they actually contain living things? Any idea?
Ma'am, they only contain roots. They are
It's not about only plants, but in general I'm asking, does does soil contain living things that is important for the plant growth?
ma'am soil
No,
and
no,
roots. Root.
no, I'm not talking about that, beta. It's like the question says that soil contains many living things, right? What do you mean by living things?
The plant, the leaves, the fruit, the vegetable.
Definitely, the soil do contain living things, like it has certain living organisms. Have you ever seen earthworms? When you just plow this, plow the land, you can see that few earthworm comes out of it. Have you ever seen
Yes.
that? So
Yes.
it's a living thing, right? So this option is also correct.
Yes.
Now coming to the third one, soil erosion is good for fertile soil. What do you mean by soil erosion?
What is the meaning of erosion? Ma'am? Ma'am, are you here? Ma'am, are you here?
Extremely sorry, Shrishti. Actually, there was some internet glitch. Ah, yeah, now the screen is visible to you. Yeah. So I was talking about soil erosion, right? So do you have any idea what do you mean by a soil erosion? Shrishti, you are on mute, beta.
Yes, sorry. Ma'am, I don't know.
See, soil erosion is a phenomena where the top layer of the soil gets degraded or it is wiped off due to certain reason, like it can be running water or it can be like uprootment of the plants or deforestation. Okay, so what happens, all these activities gradually result in this soil erosion, which is not at all good for the plant and not as well as the fertility of the soil. Okay, so
Mm,
option C is correct. So which one did we get correct? We
mm.
got one, we got two, and we got the fourth option. So do we have this option in the like this pattern in the
Yeah.
options? It's option C.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
C. Option C.
Yes, done. Okay. So shall we move to the next question now?
Yeah.
Okay. The next question says that a
Yes.
sub a submarine's periscope allows someone on the boat to see objects that are above the water. How is it possible? Now see, what is a periscope? It is somewhat like this. Okay. It looks somewhat like this and it has two
Yes.
mirrors placed this way. Here is one mirror and you have here one mirror. Okay. So what happens whenever there is an enemy ship
Yes.
over here? Okay, whenever there is an enemy ship, this enemy ship's image will be made in this mirror, right? And from this to this,
Yes.
and the person sitting over here can easily visualize whether there is an enemy ship or not, right? So how is it possible? This is
Yeah.
due to light reflecting off the object curves as it enters the periscope. So it
Yes.
is mirrors within the periscope reflect the light, enabling it to change direction. So definitely, no, these mirror is changing because if this mirror wouldn't be there, the light would pass this way, no? But due to this mirror, from this part, the light got deviated in this part. So it is option C. Is that clear?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. Now moving to the next question. It's question number 9. Which of this is not kind of house? Tell me.
Ma'am, C.
Yes, it's a bullock cart, right? So you cannot say it as a house. Is that clear?
Yes.
This is a tent. So generally we can use this tent in the when we go for trekking or some outdooring, no, we do use this tent as a home for staying for few hours
Yeah.
or few days, right? Now, 10th question says that which of the following can produce sound? So see, sound is produced in a medium. Okay. So it
Hmm.
is always produced in a medium. That means because in the medium you have few particles, no, which vibrates, and due to this
Yeah.
vibration only a wave is formed, and this wave is known as sound, right? And one more
Yes.
characteristics that sound cannot move or be produced in vacuum. Okay, it can't be produced in vacuum. Is that clear? So
Yes.
plucking a guitar, have you ever seen when you just stripe off the string of a guitar, it makes sound, right?
Yes, ma'am. I actually play guitar.
Yes. Hitting a bell, like when you do puja, no? Your mom do that, do the bell, you get a
Yes.
sound. Striking a drum, definitely. So the
Hmm.
correct option is option D, that
Hello.
is all of the above,
Hello. Yes.
right?
Yes.
Any doubt up to now?
No.
Okay. Are you getting a clarity like how are you supposed to solve the questions in which sequence?
No, ma'am.
You are not getting any clarity?
Oh, clarity. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Sorry. Sorry.
And- Okay. And the first and foremost thing is your time management. Okay. Your
Yes.
you should not invest more than 30 seconds in a question, or else you will be lacking with rest of the questions. If you don't find any questions or if you have a confusion, please mark it down for the future review. Okay. But don't get yourself stuck in that question.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now moving to the next part.
Ma'am, I know this question.
You know it?
Sensor.
It's very good. So tell me the option answer then.
The answer is circulatory system.
Yes, very good. It's a circulatory system. So can you tell me how many uh, parts other than this heart is included in the circulatory system?
The blood,
Yes, very good. Which is the circulating fluid?
vein,
Yes.
and blood cells.
Blood cells, if you consider blood, all the blood cells will come under this only, no? So you have veins, along with that you have another blood vessel which is known as artery, right? And these
Yeah.
together, all together are known as the blood vessels. Is that clear? So your
Yes.
circulatory system comprises of an organ, the fluid, and the pathway. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now moving to the next question. Question number 13 12 states that Consider the following statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1 says sound can travel through air and vacuum, the one which I said in the previous question, right?
Yes.
So, can sound travel in vacuum?
Ma'am, no.
No. So, this option got wrong. Next states that an object casts a shadow when light passes through it partially. Is it true or false?
True.
Is it so that the last light passes through the shadow or it doesn't pass? Like,
Ma'am, it passes to person.
are you sure?
Yes.
No. Actually, an object casts a shadow when it blocks the pathway. Okay. And light cannot pass through it. Okay. So both the statements are incorrect. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Ma'am,
move. Yeah, beta.
I'm sorry, but I'm going out to see the puja right now. So can I do this next day?
Megha, are you there? Megha, just a moment, Shrishti. Just give me a moment, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So, like, did you get the clarity? How are you supposed to like solve out the questions and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Srishti, hope you have enjoyed the demo. So would like to inform you that we have started grade maths test series batch also today. Okay, so if you wanted to enroll for the same, you can just contact us on these two support numbers. Okay, have you enrolled for mathematics Olympiad exam?
Yes, ma'am. I've got a medal.
Ah, that's very nice. Then you can enroll for test series batch also for the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. But, ma'am, when is it exactly?
Sorry.
When is it?
Test series batch has started today. Maths test series batch has started today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm meaning when? When?
Timing.
Class timings and
Yes.
days. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m.
Oh,
Okay. So one of our team member will coordinate with you for the further details. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. All right, Sishti. Bye-bye. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the demo. We'll see you in the classes.
Bye bye.
Good day. Take care.
Okay.